Hello, hi students. My dear, today we have to discuss with you about fraction and decimal, which is chapter of 2. You know about fraction. A fraction is a part of whole, you know. A fraction is a part of whole. Suppose this is a whole, you can say 1, and I am going to divide it into, you can say, in the fourth part, 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. A whole is divided into 4 parts. Understood? What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of whole. A fraction is part of WHOLE, whole. You can say fraction, it is in the form of numerator and denominator. This is a numerator, and this is a denominator. Okay? A fraction always comes in the form of numerator by denominator, and in simple you can define it. A fraction is a part of whole in a such way. A whole is divided into several parts. Yes, my dear, a fraction, a various type. Suppose first is a proper fraction, PROPER, proper fraction, FRACTION, proper fraction. A fraction in which, FRACTION, in which numerator is less than denominator. Proper fraction, a fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. A fraction in which numerator, numerator, a fraction in which numerator is less than denominator. Okay, which is called, you can say it is a proper fraction. You can write it. Example, I know. Suppose 3 by 4, yes, 4 by 6 and 3 by 8. Such type of etc. Such type of fraction is known as proper fraction, because you are looking here, numerator is less than denominator. But improper fraction, FRACTION, a fraction in which denominator is greater than numerator. Denominator is greater than numerator. A fraction in which, a fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. A fraction in which denominator, in which numerator, a fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator is called improper fraction. Improper FCTION. Understood? Example like 9 by 4, you can say 13 by 3, 6 by 5. In this type, a fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator is called improper fraction. Next is a mixed fraction. M-I-X-E-T. Mixed fraction. F-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. You know earlier. Combination of whole and proper. Combination of whole and proper fraction is known as mixed fraction. I am giving you an example. Suppose 2 integer 1 by 4. 2 integer 1 by 4. 4 2 ja 8, 1, 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Here 2 is a whole number and 1 is a proper fraction. You can define, you can write a mixed fraction in which whole number and proper fraction are combined together. You can say it is a mixed fraction, like 1 integer 1 by 2, 3 integer 1 by 4. These are the example of mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. Okay, I am going to erase the blackboard once. Okay, next is a unit F-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Unit fraction. A unit fraction is defined just at first you have to take example like 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6. Such type of examples are in the category of unit fraction. Always numerator of unit fraction is remain 1. A fraction in which numerator remains 1 is known as unit fraction. Okay. Now I am giving you some question. Yeah, I am showing you how to write equivalent fraction. Okay, now next write 4 equivalent fraction F-R-A-C-T-I-O-N of 3 by 4. Okay, write 4 equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. You have to write the 4 equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Yes, to find it at first we have to multiply the numerator or denominator by the same number. Okay, suppose here is a 3 by 4. I am going to multiply 1 by 1. What will be? Same. Next 2 by 2, 6 by 8, 3 by 4, 3 by 3, 9 by 12, 3 by 4 into 4 by 4, 12 by 16. Overall you are looking, in a such way you can write 3, 4, 5 more equivalent fraction of the given number. This is the process. By multiplying numerator or denominator by the same number. Okay? Later you can increase it 3 by 4, 5 by 5, 15 by 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. In a such way you can write equivalent fraction of the given number. My dear, suppose that here is I am taking another question. Suppose in 1 by 4 or 3 by 6, which is greater? Question. In 1 by 4 or 3 by 4, which is greater? Which is greater than? Yeah, you can write in this way. Which is greater than 1 by 4 or you can say 3 by 6. What you will do? At first you have to take LCM of denominator. Take LCM of denominator. So LCM of 4 and 6, you know, these and these are the denominators. LCM of 4 and 6 is, you know how to find it? LCM 4 and 6. How many times? 2, 2 is 4, 2, 3 is 6. 3, 2 is 6, 2 is 12. Very clear? You know. Now 1 by 4 is here. To make denominator 12, how much we have to multiply? Certainly by 3. We will write here 3 by 3. 1 3 is 3, 4 3 is 12. And another 3 by 6. 3 by 6. What you will do to make 12 by denominator? Certainly by multiplying by 2. 2 by 2. 3 2 is 6, 12. Here is a 3 by 12. Here is a 6 by 12. Which is greater? This 3 by 12 is less than 6 by 12. This is a symbol of greater. Therefore, 1 by 4 is smaller than 3 by 6. In the easy way, you can also understand 1 by 4. One's fourth part, here is 3 by 6, you can cancel it. One's 2 part, this is greater. If you have a cake, suppose that this is a cake, and you will divide it into 4 part, 1, 2, 3, 4, and another cake, you have to same length cake is, you will divide it into half. Certainly this is greater in the compare of this cake, a part of this cake, yes or not? Certainly it will be. Okay, once again I have to erase the blackboard. Okay, next type of question in the case of fraction. Suppose there are some fraction and you have to write it in ascending or descending order. Okay, na? Question will be in this way. Arrange the fraction in the ascending order. Arrange. Suppose You can take 3 by 6, 2 by 4, 5 by 8. Arrange this much, this and 5 by 8 in ascending or order. Ascending order. My dear, arrange the fraction. Arrange the fraction FRACTION. This much, and this much in ascending order. In the same way, you have to equivalent the denominators. LCM of 6, 4 and 8 each. Here you can find it. Take LCM. 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja. Once again 2 1 ja, 2 ja. 3 2 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. Each 24. And so you know how to find LCM. LCM of 6, 4 and 8 is 24. Now one by one we will make same denominator, like 3 by 6. Okay na? 3 by 6 into 4 by 4, 6 for that 24. Here 12 by 24. Another is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 into 6 by 6, 6 for the 24. 12 by 24. And only 5 by 8. 5 by 8 into get certainly 3. You can also 15 by 24. These are the new fraction. Now we have to look. We have to look how to write in ascending way. But here is a problem. I have taken two fractions same in the form of same. So the result came here same. 12 by 24, 12 by 24. And this is different. Both two are same and this is a different. Yes, you can write it like 3 by 6. These two are equal. 3 by 6 is equal to 2 by 4. Without calculation, I have taken such question. Okay now? Therefore, these two are equal, but this fraction is not equal. So absolutely you cannot write it into the ascending order. Yeah, the two are equal, but in this way you can write. Here is a 5 by 8. Yeah. Now I am taking another example. Okay now? Can I erase? Taking another example. Arrange 3 by 7, 4 by 6 and 5 by 8 in the ascending order. Arrange the fraction, my dear. FRACTION. You know, 3 by 7, 4 by 6 and 5 by 8 in the ascending order. In the same way, you have to take LCM. LCM of 7, 6 and 8 each. You can find here 7, 6 and 8 by 2, 3 ja, 4 ja. Okay. Now all numbers are different. You can multiply 2 into 7 into 3 into 4. 7 2 ja 14, 14 3 ja 42 into 4. 4 2 ja 8, 4 4 ja 60, 168. LCM of 7, 6 and 8 is 168. Clear? Now 3 by 7. You have to make denominator same. How you can guess? You will divide the 168 by 7. 7 2 ja 14, 2 7 4 ja 28. You will multiply the fraction 3 by 7 by 24. 24 by 24. 72 by 168. Now next is 4 by 6. Divide 168 by 6. 2 times 4 8. 28 times. 4 by 6 into 28 by 28. By the same number you will multiply it. Okay? 112 by 168 will remain same. Now next is 5 by 8. Divide 168 by 8. 21 times. How many times? 21 times. 5 by 8 into 21 by 21. 105 and 168. Now all the fractions are in different way, are different. 72 by this much, 112 by this much, 105 by this much. You have to write in ascending order, smallest to the greatest. Which is smallest? This, then this, then this. You will write here 72 by 168, then 105 by 168, then 112 by 168. These are in the form of smallest to greatest. Now, therefore, 72 by 168, 3 by 7. You will write here 3 by 7. Then this 5 by 8. Then 4 by 6. Okay. If you have to write in descending order, so what you will do? Greatest to the smallest, greatest to the smallest. Now, in the case of fraction, you have to add, subtract, multiply. Okay, na? Such type of question. Subtract. You have to write this question. You have to solve. Yeah, you can write from here in the descending order. Very easy. Which is greater than greatest to the smallest. Now subtract 3 by 4 from 1. Okay. In this way you can try to solve. Subtract 3 by 4 from 1. You know 1 out of 3 by 4. What you will do? 1 by 1. Okay. Here also you have to take LCM. 1 and 4 LCM is 4. 1 divided by 4, 4 times, and 1 into 4. 4 divided by 4, 1 into 3, 3. 4 out of 3, it means 1 by 4. In the case of addition, add like 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8 plus 2 by 6. You know, you are the student of grade 7, my dear. I know you are able, you can solve such type of question. You have to try to solve. Okay now, my dear, in my next video I will discuss about decimal and some related topics which is left to show you. I will once again in the next video I will guide you, show you which type of question comes in this category. My dear, as a HW, at first you have to prepare your notes, and certainly I will send HW in the group in the written script. Okay, and you have to try to solve, and you will send it in my personal WhatsApp number also. Best of luck, my dear. Okay.